Hi and welcome to the MotoPress channel. My name is Valerie and today we'll be taking a closer look at Pixetty, a WordPress theme with scheduling software integrated and crafted specifically for photographers, event planners, videographers, and other creatives and their studios. With Pixetty, you'll be able to automate day-to-day tasks and other manual functions to spend more time behind the lens. So, where's the birdie? We're beginning. Pixetty is a WordPress photography theme made for creating a professional portfolio website. It's well balanced, original, and informative at the same time. It comes with must-have features of photography websites like image galleries, services pages, team presentation, and contacts info, including many sophisticated and memorable details. The tools Pixetty comes bundled with will help you personalize your portfolio for any appointment business you might have. Let's talk about them in more detail. GetWit is our extension to the native WordPress blog editor, and this is a pack of multi-purpose WordPress blocks and template library. It is perfect tool to have in your WordPress professional toolkit. Another leading role belongs to the appointment booking plugin, the booking engine, which, upon setup, integrates the automated step-by-step wizard for appointment bookings on your site. It's worth mentioning that all these plugins are created by our team, which means we're not leaving the core theme functionalities depend on third-party providers. This also means we'll be able to provide you with regular updates, fixes, and support. Furthermore, we know our products backwards and forwards, so we're going to be always ready to help you with the customization process. As for some other tools, the Pixetty theme comes with a few more utilities that help you configure the image display and import sample data for easier template setup and customization. You never get a second chance to make a first impression, right? The front page of Pixety is made to help you present your photos or other creative work in different ways and in various shapes. This page is your online front door. It's also the place where random internet people can turn into clients. So we try to make the page refined and at the same time striking enough to convince and convert. The header part is made to introduce your business area. Here we see a few image examples and also some calls to action. Whether you're building a personal portfolio or for a studio, you still need a room for adding your key message or mission statement in the spotlight. Pixety has a dedicated section for this right on the front page. Moreover, by clicking on the CTA button, your site visitors can be taken, let's say, to the portfolio page. The portfolio has a dozen animation effects, allowing you to improve the navigation experience through the site. The portfolio allows prospective customers to browse through your work and get a sense of your style. Clients value accessibility when looking for a professional photographer, which makes this page essential for the site. Next part of the homepage is purely dedicated to your actual photos or visuals. And again, with the help of one more CTA, visitors can land on the About Us page. It's a compact and bold template that will help you display your bio in a memorable way. It has spots for displaying any visual information you find suitable. Actually, the button can lead to any other page you'll choose in the button settings. As you may notice, a prominent feature of the theme is that usually images come combined with text messages, allowing you to tell even more about your work. We've also integrated a fantastic widget for MailChimp, namely You can now collect the email addresses of your prospective customers. MailChimp is a great tool to stay tuned with your audience and promote your photography business. Blogging is a great way to keep your website fresh. You can write about recent assignments or stories behind the lens. So, we've also provided a post focused blog that will automatically source news and stories from your posts to be visible on the front page. Social media has had a massive boom. That's why Instagram can be a high potential marketing tool for any brand or business. Gateway also has a great blog to embed Instagram on your website. And we have a tutorial on our channel, and with its help, you can learn how to configure all the settings of the blog in a couple of minutes. By the way, this video is one of the most popular on our channel. An Instagram photo gallery will attract your website visitors, and as a result, they will stay on site for a long time, which helps to improve the website dwell time and decrease the bounce rate. So we strongly recommend watching this video. And finally, the footer area in Pixetty is bold and stylish too. You have a few big spots here to display your contact info, a book button, social networks, or something else you find suitable. Pixety has only a few items featured in the navigation menu, just to help you focus on the most important things. You can, however, add more items to be displayed if needed. To see more items, click on the hamburger menu. Surely, you want to let people know how to find you and give the best possible way to get in touch with you. The contacts page displays your contact details, and the contact form that makes it easy to glean essential information so that you can cut down on unnecessary back and forth emails. It's important to tell people in more detail what services you offer and their price and duration too. The blog that features services presents all the necessary info, encouraging people to instantly book them. You can showcase your team if you've got one. It's possible to add a few lines to tell about each person, add links to their contact details, including social networks, and don't forget to include a photo. It's worth noting that the service and employee lists are blocks of appointment booking. So, the block editor will allow you to tweak individual content elements when editing the site, while the customizer is for changes across the site. The Pixetty theme empowers you to globally change the header text color and background color. There are three different menu locations in Pixetty: footer, socials, primary, and primary dropdown. You can click on the blue pen icon in Customizer to instantly jump into the needed menu section and add or remove menu links. More theme content blocks you see in the footer, header, or other site parts can be edited via widgets. The Pixety theme has three widget areas, such as the right sidebar, footer left, and footer right. Just click on the needed area to see what's already added and what you can add. Go through the theme settings to customize different parts of it. For example, choose a block style, modern or default, or customize the text in the footer. So the point is, don't be afraid to explore all the customizer options. Now let's book a session together. Clients will find it super intuitive to book an available time slot via Pixety booking widget. They pick the service, available date and time. After that, they need to submit their contact details. As a tour booking confirmation step, it's required that customers either pay online if you enabled any payment methods, or just click Book to submit it. If you need to connect more specific or local payment gateways, we have a dedicated WooCommerce appointment booking add-on. Almost all the world's popular gateways you can think of can be wired up via WooCommerce in a few button clicks. On the back end, you can track and manage reservations and payments, connect Google Calendar to your employees' profiles, and send notifications to your clients. You'll find many tools for that. In addition to accepting bookings on the front end, you can also add them manually from the admin's dashboard. To learn more about the appointment booking functionality, check out its playlist on our channel, which I've linked down below. By the way, we also have another great photography theme for WordPress in the lineup, which is a portfolio theme without the booking widget. It is called Nifty 50. And just a kind reminder, you can get Pixetty or any other theme by MotoPress for free by joining the MotoPress Club. To sum up, it doesn't matter if you're busy at events or photo shoots, with Pixetty you'll empower clients to book available slots 24/7 with online photography scheduling software without you having to interfere. Furthermore, you can organize workflows not only for yourself but for your team too. The functionality of the theme is on par with its design. Pixetty will enable you to showcase your top-class images from your portfolio and promote your services. What's more, the theme is easy to use and customize, and you're free to move content blocks, change colors, and tweak design patterns in the native WordPress block editor. If you still have pre-sales questions, please put them in the comment section below or directly on the official website. And if you found today's video helpful to you, be sure to give it a thumbs up here on YouTube. Also, make sure you're subscribed and click the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.